I always laugh at the fact that I get to introduce my mom, Diane Hunter, which we're going to talk about those Callaways.
That's right. People just don't think that you belong to me, that's all. No, those Callaways are just so awesome that people don't realize, besides us talking about how honest and trustworthy they are, they do a ton of marketing. So if someone's looking to sell their home, they really should consider them. Not only can they put their home on the Home Hunter, which they're the only ones that can do that, but they also use the newspaper and a lot of signage and a lot of things. So
and nicest people ever.
They really are. Now, you've got a special home to tell us about.
I have an amazing home in Scottsdale. It's got 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. It's over 6,000 square feet. It's in the gated Pinnacle Canyon subdivision, and its master suite has the steam shower, soak tub, his and hers toilet rooms, which I think is awesome. I mean, apparently that's a must. The kitchen has the knotty alder cabinets, the slab granite, the eat it bar, Wolf Professional 6-burner range, and the double ovens, and then they've got the built-in Sub-Zero refrigerator. Beautiful.
Kitchen sounds nice.
Oh yeah, and then the travertine floors, which are amazing. And they have, throughout the house, 4 Cantera stone gas fireplaces. And then they also have a rooftop deck with a fireplace and a wet bar. They have a 3-car epoxy garage with the flooring and the storage. And they have all the TROON North community amenities. All this for $2,350,000.
Well, this sounds like a fantastic home.
It is a fantastic home, so people definitely need to check this one out.
Okay.
Thanks.
Thank you.